Welcome back here on Showbiz Central. At ngayon, this is the story of your life. At kasama ko na po ngayon ang pinakabagong kapuso actress, Miss Agot Isidro. Welcome to Showbiz Central, Miss Agot.
Thank you. Hi, Raymond. Thank you. And I'm glad to be here in Showbiz Central. And of course, the Kapuso Network.
Yes. How are you feeling so far being here in GMA?
Excited, a little fearful. Medyo syempre may kaba. Pero everyone's so nice and so welcoming and so warm. So talagang they made me feel at home.
All right. Miss Agot, this is the story of your life. So mga kapuso, let's take a look at Miss Agot's life at kung paano siya gumawa ng sarili niyang marka sa mundo ng showbiz. Let's watch this. It was in 1990 when Agot Isidro began her colorful journey in the world of showbiz. Despite having a degree in interior design and graduating cum laude at the Fashion Institute of Technology in New York, tila iba ang landas na nakatakda niyang tahakin sa buhay. At una siyang dinala nito sa isang maningning na entablado.
Nag-umpisa siya bilang backup singer ni Sharon Cuneta. And eventually, syempre, Pretty ang aking friend. na pilit na rin siya na mag-showbiz, mag-artista.
I knew her more when she was still doing recording and she was doing concerts and everything. And I think she handled it very well. Madaling yumabang ang tao, pero si Agot hindi siya yumabang. She always had her feet on the ground and she always sought the advice of people. Tapos nung nagkaroon kami ng noontime show, we asked that she join us.
After becoming a certified hitmaker and an effective television host, di na nagtagal bago na-discovery ang naitatago ring galing ni Agot sa pag-arte with her remarkable sitcom stints.
May problema ba?
Wala namang problema. Samahan mo naman ako. Hindi ka mainit pa yung sabaw. Sabaw!
Nung nag-uumpisa siya, may hesitation eh. Pero narinig ko nga na, hindi ko alam kung saan na pinakanta siya, doon siya naka-arte. So, kumbaga, again, yung director, hindi ko maalala kung sino yung director niya noong time na yon. Kilala siya.
Si Tita Agot, parang nanay ko yan. Lumaki ako sa Okidokidok ng ka-dressing room ko siya. Tapos, lagi ko siyang kinukulit. Lagi ako nagpapakarga sa kanya. Tapos, nahilig ako sa makeup dahil sa kanya kasi sobrang dami niyang makeup nun.
Magaling na artista yan. Nakita ko na agad na ang potential niya bilang artista. Nakita ko na yung fire. Nakita ko agad yun. You know, we had the scene together na binubulyawan niya ako and everything. Sabi ko, this girl is good. First movie niya yan. First movie niya.
Through the years, Agot has proven herself to be a dynamic actress, taking on different roles and leaving her own signature as a true artist.
Si Agot has matured a lot as an actress. Ngayon talagang actress na siya. Gusto niya nang umarte, enjoy siya sa paggawa.
She's a go-getter, no? And sa pagkakaalam ko dyan, kung meron siyang gustong gawin, basta gagawin na lang niya eh. Walang makakapigil niya. Kung gusto niya umakyat ng bundok, aakyat ng bundok niya.
And as she embarks on a new chapter in her career as the latest addition to the roster of top caliber Kapuso actresses. Inaabangan na ng marami ang una niyang pagsabak sa upcoming GMA soap na One True Love.
Iniwan ko ang magandang buhay. Ang mga magulang ko itinakwil ako ng dahil sa'yo. Tapos ito lang ang mapapala ko.
Tayo dito sa Kapuso Network ay sobrang happy at kasama na natin siya. That's why I'd like to welcome Miss Agot Isidro. Welcome sa Kapuso Network. Isa ka ng kapuso. We love you.
Agot, sa wakas, nandito ka na. We're very happy to have you here. We look forward to the years that we will be together. I hope you will be also happy with us.
Cute naman!
Welcome to GMA, Miss Agot.
Cute. Thank you. It's so nice to see old friends. Pero yeah, ang weird lang that they're talking about me.
Nakita natin dun sa VTR na bigla rin ako na yung background mo pala is interior design and fashion. You went to FIT in New York.
Yes, I took up fashion merchandising, buying and merchandising.
So, paano napunta sa pagiging artista? And do you ever plan on going back to those interests?
I tried, but then nakakatawa yung kwento ng pag-aartista eh. Because in our house, may mga kotse, tas meron din akong mga kapatid na madami. So, we would be fighting over the cars. So, sabi ko, ano bang pwedeng gawin para madaling kumita? And they were asking me already to join showbiz or to join a TV show. So sabi ko, try ko kaya mag-artista para lang makabili ng kotse. And then yun. And then I enjoyed it pala.
And backup singer ni Megastar.
Yes.
Wow.
Oo. Tsaka ni Ate V, actually, during her Vilma show.
I heard na some of your friends are trying to convince you to come out with an album again. Is singing in the plans for you?
It's always there. Singing is my first love.
Okay.
Still, yun nga, sabi nga ni Ricky Davao, sometimes I really need music to get into the mood to act or to cry or something. I really use music. Okay. So, it's in the plans pero wala pa. Wala pang concrete.
Wala pang definite.
Yeah, I'd love to do another album.
Miss Agot, ano pang gusto mong gawin sa iyong showbiz career? I mean, you've done singing, acting, at napatunayan mo na ang sarili mo. Ano pa bang gusto mong gawin?
I'd love to do more theater. I haven't done theater for maybe 4 years.
Wow.
So, I wanna do that.
Okay.
Kasi ibang ano rin yun eh, ibang high ang nakukuha mo pag theater eh.
Why the shift to the Kapuso Network? Bakit?
I just needed change. Change is always good, and change will bring more challenges for me, and I love challenges. I really love a good challenge. So, yun lang, para lang magitla ako ng konti and away from the parang stagnating life, 'di ba? Ito nang ito, ito nang ito. So parang I opted to embark on something new.
Nahirapan ka ba sa iyong desisyon?
I prayed over it. I prayed over it for so many months actually. Pinag-isipan ko siya, tapos sinabi ko lang kay Lord, sabi ko, basta guide me in that direction if you want me to go there. So I'm here.
You're here. And you're very much welcome here, Miss Agot.
Thank you,
Mga Kapuso, dyan lamang kayo dahil makikita natin ang mas personal na side ni Miss Agot sa pagbabalik ng Showbiz Central. Stick around.